Hey guys, Scotty from Towers Armory with our video update. Let's check out tonight's guns. Start here with the Micro Draco. Seems to be most of Toledo's favorite gun. Can't keep them in stock. We have an 11-inch Tippmann M422 pistol. Comes with the Tippmann brace on it. We have it in 7.5. And the purple 16-inch. We got some more of the Ruger 57s in stock for you guys that like the 5.7x2.8. We have a 1911 A1 FS 22 XT from Rock Island. It is a 1911-esque pistol chambered in 22 Win Mag. We have the Rock Island 1911 380. The Glock 19X MOS with the threaded barrel. Probably one of the best running 22 semi-automatics out there in handguns, the Taurus TX22. And last but not least, we did get a couple of the loadout kits from Canik. Comes with the Canik Meta SFT. You get a holster. You get a holster for the light. It does come with a PL Mini 2 Valkyrie. We do have another one that comes with the PL Pro, which is the bigger version of the light. They come with the red dot. You do get a threaded barrel, cleaning kit, the tools, and a couple extra magazines. Other than that, I don't have anything else for you guys tonight. Like and subscribe for more. We'll see you soon.